Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make video collage in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to make a video collage in it, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Here, import the blank clip. Now, to add other clips, simply click on PIP option right here and now choose the video that you want to import on your blank clip. Similarly, add another clip using the PIP option. Click here to fill it to the canvas, and similarly again click on PIP to add another video clip. Again click here to make it full screen. Now if we play it, we have 3 different video clips, and just like this we can make video collage in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.